The Porsche Vehicle Service Protection Plan. Extend your peace of mind and offset expensive repair costs with the Porsche Vehicle Service Protection Plan, which delivers benefits beyond the Porsche factory warranty. There are 2 coverage options that extend your warranty to 10 years or 100,000 miles. Powertrain or Platinum. Both options include nationwide service, 24-hour roadside assistance, towing reimbursement, rental car reimbursement, trip interruption coverage, and the option to transfer the warranty if you sell the car. Whichever plan you select, you'll pay nothing on covered repairs, other than the deductible you choose. Our Powertrain plan covers engine, transmission, drive axle, seals, and gaskets, while our Platinum coverage adds climate control, shocks, suspension, fuel system, electrical system, steering, and brakes. Not only does the Platinum plan expand coverage to major components, but also provides exceptional Porsche service using an extensive range of genuine Porsche parts. The Porsche Vehicle Service Protection Plan is available on new, pre-owned, and certified pre-owned Porsche vehicles and offers peace of mind at a reasonable price.